We had this client who he applied, and we're hoping processing of his application would take 60 days. But close to the 60th date, we received a letter from the government, the foreign government, advising us that they did their due diligence and they found out that he did not declare all of his businesses. You're supposed to declare your experience, your work experience for the past 10 years. He only declared the major business because that is what he is involved in. And the government did their diligence and found that he's got other businesses, and they brought it to us. And we reached out to our client and we asked, the government, this is the letter we got. We know that they're correct because it shows that you have other businesses. Why didn't you declare it? And they explained it. He says, although we're owners of the business, we do not handle the day-to-day operations of the business. We're directors, we're shareholders, we delegate. It's a strategic delegation, to our senior management staff. So they did not see the need to, list that as part of their work experience. So we explained it to the government stating, yes, you're absolutely correct. The client, he's got other businesses, the registered owner of the businesses, but he doesn't get involved in the day-to-day operations of the business. We had to make the client swear to an affidavit, got his lawyers, the foreign lawyers involved, and prepared a declaration for him. We provided details of all of this documentation, and to the extent of which he's involved in, we provided documentations of meetings that the companies have had. Of course, if you're involved in a business, you would sign paperwork on behalf of a company. There is no proof to show that he's actively involved in the business, and it's a group of companies. The name itself, it's a group of companies. It means there are other companies. So on the one hand, he did declare, that he's got other companies, but he did not go into too many details. But the program requires you to declare 10 years of your experience. He was supposed to do that. From our explanation, the government says, okay, this is good enough. He's come up with valid reasons, and the file was approved. And the client was very happy with us. He was very, he never thought this could cause an issue, but you never know, right? Little things could affect an application, and he got his citizenship, and now himself and family members, they're citizens of Antigua and Barbuda. Very strong program. Passport is really good. It takes you to 165 countries around the world. You don't need to apply for a visa. Coming from a place, like Sub-Saharan Africa, you need to apply for visas to almost everywhere. Getting a passport that takes you everywhere without applying for a visa, to them, for a business person, it's like you're hitting the jackpot. So we've got a lot of clients who do that.